Hello, it is Violetina, and I am coming to you today to make for you Spanish chicken vegetable stew. Now I have here some olive oil browning a chicken leg. As you can see, it's a plain chicken leg, and I am browning it. I have baked this chicken leg in the oven for about half an hour, and it got brown a little bit, but I'm going to finish it in the pot here, a medium pot. Now if you have a fry pan with a lid on it, that's very good, but I don't. So I'm going to use, this pan. And then I am going to add this tomato mixture. This is frozen. See, it's frozen. It is frozen marinara, not marinara. Marinara sauce. Marinara. Tomatoes, just plain tomatoes and onions. Canned tomatoes, tomato paste, salt, and onions. That's all, and a bit of sugar. You make plain tomato sauce. And also, you are going to add eggplant. You see here the eggplant? At that. Not the whole thing. I'm going to make half, I think. So you have half an eggplant. That's a bit yellow, so I'm going to cut that off. Now I cut off the peel. Eggplant cover, peel, whatever you call it. Just cut that off simply. And then dice it. There. That's a nice amount of vegetable. Eggplant. Now some onion. I'm going to chop half of a yellow onion. Okay, I think that'll be good. That'll be enough. for a vegetable. Eggplant and onion. Now, we go over to our stove. Check. Our chicken. Okay, browning nicely, so we add our tomato. Out of the paper I have frozen. And add it to the pan. Turn the heat medium low. Okay, let that cook a bit. And to the small pan in the back, we're going to make some couscous. Now that's half a cup of couscous in the pan. Half a cup of water. Some chicken broth. Not too much. Teaspoon is enough. A bit of olive oil. Not too much. Teaspoon is enough. Half a teaspoon. Turn the heat on medium-low. Give it a stir. Now, cover this and let it cook down. I find the pot good. Cover that and let that cook about 20 minutes. Oh. 20 minutes. And I shall be back.